Barcelona against Atletico Madrid. I'm John Champion, and here alongside me in the commentary box is Jim Begley.
Yeah, thanks, John. Well, we have great expectation here today for both sets of players. I mean, this match really promises something good.
It's Jordi Alba. Mandzukic. Mario Suarez. João Miranda. Juan Fran. João Miranda. Guilherme Siqueira. Raul Garcia. Juan Fran. Raul Garcia. Mathieu. Tops it upfield. Here's Messi. Mario Suarez puts a stop to the attack. Guilherme Siqueira. Koke. Guilherme Siqueira. Not much going on in terms of taking risks, but it's still early days. Gabi. Griezmann. Gabi. Koke. Rakitic with the foul. That was always likely to be the outcome. Yellow card. Griezmann. Juan Fran. Raul Garcia. Spotted the ball being played and did well to reach it, but that's about as good as it got. Barcelona still to register a shot on target. The ball is with Messi. Gabi wins the battle and emerges with the ball. Mandzukic. Sergio Busquets gives away a free kick. Sergio Busquets. It's Messi. Atletico Madrid on the ball, but not being very threatening with it. Mario Suarez. Koke. Raul Garcia. Rakitic. It's Messi. And he's still going. He makes his way towards the penalty area. Messi. Gabi. Raul Garcia. Juan Fran. Gabi. Neymar.
Neymar really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner. Just maybe there he overdid it slightly and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly.
Goal now would certainly liven things up. That was some run, but in the end he came up against some dogged defending. Griezmann. Here is Mandzukic. He's bursting forward. Post in the way. Very nearly a goal. Good strength, just wrestled him off the ball. Guilherme Siqueira. It's Mandzukic. Messi. Mathieu. Rakitic. Guilherme Siqueira. Godin. Mario Suarez. Raul Garcia. There'll be a throw-in. Here is Mandzukic. The whistle signals the end of the first half.
Well, the manager's surely got to look for one or two creative changes now.